How to download Adobe Photoshop for free on PC and Mac. So if you want to download Adobe Photoshop for free on PC and Mac, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for Adobe. After searching, you need to go with www.adobe.com and it will take you to the website, right? So once you're under the website, you need to just go with your location. Select your location and scroll down a bit. And here you will have the free trials. So you just need simply go with the Photoshop section and click on free trial. Once you're here, now you can choose individual or business or students and teachers. You will have 14 days after your free trial ends to cancel and get a full refund. So you just need simply select any option that you're comfortable with and then go with add a 7-day free trial and go with continue, which is here on the bottom right. Once you go with continue, it will ask you for the payment method. You need to just enter your payment methods. After adding your payment methods, you can go with continue and click on continue to verification. And here you will have all of your free trial terms. So just make sure that you've read all of the terms and then go with continue to verification. And in this way, you'll be able to download your Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC and your Mac. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.